Hello student and welcome to my next video. Today we will learn from Mathematics textbook for standard 6 Ncert syllabus. Lesson number 3, Playing with numbers. Point 3.2, Factors and Multiples. So before starting, what is the fact about factors and multiples? Let's see what is a factor and what is multiple. So a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. I will repeat, a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. And what is the meaning of multiple? So multiple means a multiple of a number is the result obtained when that number is multiplied by a natural number. Now, let's see all these with examples. Now, our first property is that 1 is a factor of every number. So, let's see with this example. Now, when we multiply any number by 1, see here I have written 6 and 1 into 6 gives me the answer 6. So 1 is a factor of 6. 8. 1 into 8 gives me the answer 8. So it is a factor of 8. So therefore 1 is a factor of every number. Now let's again see the second one. Every number is a factor of itself. Like every number is factor of itself. Let's see. Now numbers, every number can be expressed as, like I have written 12. 12 can be expressed as 12 into 1. So 12 is a factor of 12. 15. 15 can be expressed as 15 into 1. So 15 is a factor of 15. So every number is a factor of itself. Next, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Now let's see with some examples. Now see, I have taken a number 20 and I have found out the factors of 20, that is 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. See, we have proved the first two facts, that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Now we are seeing the third property, which is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Means if I divide 20 by 2, the remainder will be 0. If I divide 20 by 4, remainder will be 0. If I divide 20 by 5, remainder will be 0. So, when we divide the number with its divisor, the remainder is 0. So, hence, here we prove that every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Let's see the next fact. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Let's see this. Here I have taken the number 18 and again I have found out all the factors of 18. So I have written here the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. What is our property says that every factor, see all these factors, if you notice all these factors, is less than or equal to the given number. So our given number is 18 and all its factors up to the 9 are less than 18 or equal to. Okay, so 18 is equal to 18 and all these factors are less than the given number. See, in the previous one we have found out the factors of 20. So even in this you can see all the factors are less or equal to the given number. So here hence we proved that every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Let's see the next property. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite means you can count the factors of a number. When we found out the factor of any number, we can count them. So that's why they are saying numbers of factors of a given number are finite, even though the number is very large. Let's see this with some examples. See here, in the previous example, we have taken out the factors of 18 and we can count them. Count the factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you can count the number of factors of a given number. So, we can count the number of factors of any numbers even though the number is very large. Now, let's see the property of multiple. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Now let's see how to find out multiple first and then let's see how to prove this line. Now if you see, I have taken the number 7 and let's find out the multiples of 7. The method is that 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. It is the multiple of 7. 7 multiplied by 2 gives me the answer 14. 7 by 3 gives me 21. 7 by 4 gives me 28. And so on. You can find out infinite numbers of multiples of the given number. So, hence here we prove that every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. See, our first multiple is 7. Next is 14. See this. These are the multiples. Next is 21. Next is 28 and so on. So, if you can see, 7 is the first multiple of 7. So, it is equal. So, this multiple is equal and other multiples are greater than 7. That is the difference between the factors and the multiples. The factors, about the factors we can say that all the divisors or all the factors are less or equal to the given number and all the multiples are equal or greater than the given number. Okay. The next property is the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Just now I told you that in case of 7 I can find out a number of multiples like 7 into 5, 7 into 6, 7 into 10, 7 into 1000, 7 into 1 lakh. So these multiples are infinite. So here the number of multiples of a given number are infinite, but the given of in factor, the numbers or the factors are finite. We can count them. And the last fact is that every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. See here, I have found out the multiples of 7. So can you see the first number 7? It is a multiple of 7. So every multiple or every number is a multiple of itself. So these are the properties or facts about factors and multiples. So based on these facts about factors and multiples, we are going to solve the exercise of this chapter. So learn these properties very well. Thank you.